My favorite part of the job is when we encounter a beat up floor or countertop is that we could restore it like new. Usually it takes a bit of time, but at the end of the day, it ends up coming up pretty well. Grinding, polishing, whatever it takes to bring the stone back. We take our time, make sure it's done right. That's just how we work.
What sets us apart is culture. I was a fireman before. I set a very family-oriented work environment, and everybody loves working within each other.
Everybody's a team player. I love working with them. I get along with everybody. Everybody's very friendly.
It feels like a team. It feels like we just really work well together. Everyone helps each other out. There's really a spirit of cooperation.
So basically we're all just like a big family. That's maybe the difference between like other companies and what we have here.
We are always looking for highly motivated, hardworking team members who are looking for a place where they can really elevate themselves and really contribute to something meaningful.
We're CATA Stone Care. We're building CATA to be different.
To join our team, click on the link in the description or go to catastonecare.com and schedule your Good Fit call today.